Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I am going to show you Samsung A54 versus Samsung A55 versus Samsung A56. Which one is better for you? Let's look in the video. Here you will see this is the detailed comparison between these two. So first talk about display. A54 provided 6.4-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED 120 Hz refresh rate 1000 nits brightness display. And Galaxy A55 provided 6.6-inch FHD plus Super AMOLED 120 Hz refresh rate 1000 nits brightness display. And in Galaxy A56 you will get 6.7-inch FHD plus Dynamic AMOLED 120 Hz refresh rate display. Now let's look at the processor. In A54 you will get Exynos 1380 processor, and in A55 you will get Exynos 1480 processor, and in A56 Exynos 1580 processor is available. Now let's look at the RAM. In Galaxy A54 6GB or 8GB RAM is available, and in 55 8GB or 12GB RAM is available, and it is also available on A56. Now let's look at the storage. In A54 128GB or 256GB expandable via microSD storage is available, and in Galaxy A55 128GB or 256GB expandable via microSD is available, and it is also available on A56. Now let's look at the rear cameras. In A54, 50MP main, 12MP ultra wide and 5MP macro is available. And in Galaxy A55, 50MP main, 12MP ultra wide and 5MP macro is available. And in Galaxy A56, 50MP main, 12MP ultra and 5MP depth sensor is available. Now let's look at the front camera. In Galaxy A54, 32MP front camera is available, and it is also available on A55, and in A56 12MP is available. Now let's look at the battery. In A54 5000 mAh 25W wide charging is available, and it is also available on A55, and in A56 5000 mAh 45W wide charging is available. Now let's look at the operating system. In A54 Android 13 with 1 UI 5.1 is available, and in A55 Android 14 with 1 UI 6.1 is available, and in A56 Android 15 with 1 UI 7 is available. Now let's look at the build. Plastic frame Gorilla Glass 5 front is available on A54. Metal frame Gorilla Glass Victus front is available on A55, and in A56 aluminium frame glass back is available. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.